Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and usually I like to space out the videos a little bit, but this time I'm not, just because this Saturday we'll be at the Experience in Bakersfield, which is at Famoso Drag Strip, presented by Hondata. I'm gonna be debuting the 11 Gen with all the latest mods that I have as of, I guess, this week. If you saw the last video, which just uploaded, literally like probably by the time you see this, it'd be 2 days now. Got the wheels and tires on, so I made the car look way better. But now, after seeing it, I cannot go to the show like monster truck super high. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna lower it. But I don't have any suspension parts yet. I don't have springs or coilovers, which is what I'm really gonna eventually get. But what I do have is the suspension from the Drag Civic. It's actually old springs that I have, so it's not even what we use for the Drag Civic, but I just had springs laid around, still on the shock and everything. So it's gonna be from a 10th gen, and it's supposed to fit. Bottom line, we're gonna figure it out right now if we can easily just swap, grab 10th gen suspension and throw it on the 11th gen. And if that does work, then honestly it's gonna make it a lot easier to find suspension parts for the 11th gen. It'll just be a matter of getting the right spring rate and everything that I want for the setup. Obviously, I don't want it to be too stiff for like the street driving, but I want it to be able to handle on the road course as well. So car's in the air. Let's see how low it can get, and hopefully the 255s do not road. Excited to see how this, obviously the 10th gen suspension fits, so let's see how much it drops it, if anything. But hopefully this is all good, and then I can wash it tomorrow morning, because it definitely needs a wash, and hopefully it doesn't rub. We did push the camber in as much as we could, but that's gonna rub for sure. Yeah. Oh well, it's nothing a little paint job and body work can't do a fix. So as far as the seatbelt, you're supposed to have a harness and a harness bar, but I feel like being a little risk taker, and I'm just gonna use a regular seatbelt. Hopefully I don't get in a car accident. Not gonna work. Do not do that. But I'm about that life, so I'm gonna do it. So seatbelt it is, we don't have any time, but I do have a roll bar, a harness bar / roll bar for it, and I do have harnesses for it. I need to make another seat mount for the passenger side, and then I could put the passenger Sparco seat in there, then I could have the matching harness and everything, so be Gucci. All right, so as far as the interior goes, the Sparco seat is in. gotta climb in now because I don't want to rip the sides. But the Sparco Seat, it's a QRTR. It's actually the same one that I have in the Drag Civic. I have it in red though, and it's suede. This one's like the vinyl. But it's also, this is actually the same as the 2P Honda Talon that I have, because it's easier to clean, and I got 2 of these on those. And I'm probably gonna get the same amount, 4 of them in the 4P Honda Talon that I got, because yeah, this is just my favorite seat. It's comfortable, it fits me good. They have a bunch of different types of seats, but it's the best one for me. So this is it, guys. I mean, the experience presented by Hondata is May 7th, which is this Saturday. 2 days, technically 1 day left almost after this. Probably by the time you guys see this video. Got the limo tint, and it's the ceramic, so it helps not only with the UV but the infrared, so it keeps all the heat out, especially out here where it gets really hot, especially during the summers. We see triple digits on average, so I'm excited to put these to good use. Makes a huge difference. The car just looks way better. Like, it looks dope. Hopefully I don't get any tickets, because obviously I'm still in California. With this Sparco seat now, looks dope, feels good, track ready almost. I'm contemplating if I want to put the Sparco steering wheel on here, just because I don't want to lose the functionality of like the cruise control, volume and everything. But and I really do like the steering wheel, but I need to get the harness bar. I'll wait till after the event, get the harness bar / roll bar, take it over to P2, and then also get the bracket for the passenger Sparco seat that I'm going to be putting in, and that's just collecting dust over there in the conference room. There's one more thing that I need to do, the interior, before we go to the event. And well, here it is. This is obviously this is a first mod I had for this car, and I got it before I even got the car delivered, but I haven't installed it yet. So I'm gonna install this right now. I'm gonna get to drive it to the experience and see what it feels like. And I know it's gonna make a difference, but this is the CARB version. So it has an EO number and it's 50 state legal. I believe it probably has 2 maps. I have to look at it. I'm not gonna do the whole install with you guys, but so you guys can see what it looks like. So here's the Flash Pro, back, emissions legal, and got the cable to connect to the laptop, and then some stickers, decals, and instruction stuff. So I already know how to install this. If you are new to this or new to a Flash Pro or just tuning in general, the good thing about Hondata, they make it very user friendly, and you don't even need to buy the Flash Pro in order to see what they offer. You can actually download the Hondata Flash Pro Manager software for free. Now obviously you can't tune your car because you don't have a Flash Pro, but at least if you're trying to make a buying decision or something, you just want to see what they offer, the calibrations that they currently have, or just start messing with the software in general. Just if you wanted to learn tuning, just download it. It's free, and it has to be on a PC, Windows base. I use my MacBook, but I also have Windows on that too. So throw this on, install it, put probably the highest output tune that they have for it, and see how long I can enjoy it. And I'm pretty sure at the track's gonna do really good. So again, stay on the lookout for that video. I'll make a completely separate video, and I'll do like a step-by-step. If you guys want to see that, just let me know in the comments. And obviously we're gonna have to put it back on the dyno to see the before and after. So thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I know things are going fast with the build and we're trying to separate it to where you can see the content, see step by step. But again, that's what I've always said in the beginning. What sucks about me, when I get a car and I start working on it, I usually go 0 to 100 real quick. And yeah, I don't do baby steps and enjoy it for every step of the way. I just like to go full send and see what happens. But I'm really holding myself back and trying to do that so that at least you guys can see me drive it around and see what it's like, every mod one step at a time, not just go fully built and then, oh, check out, look how fast I can go down the drag strip. We know what the L15 is capable of. It's capable of over 800, and even before the new setup on the drag car, we've hit 10.7, and thankfully it's still the fastest 10 gen 1.5 liter down the quarter mile in the world. So we are looking to beat that. Obviously our goal is to go 9s, but in time. And this one is just gonna be a super fun street car and a time attack car. So we don't need all that power. And honestly, that car was just proof
to everybody in the world, especially all the people that doubted the L15s and what Honda's decision, that you can make anything fast. You just have to have the patience, do the R&D, go through the hard work, and get the right resources and people helping you out, and you just really have to dedicate yourself. And it's not easy, guys. Trust me. It's if you see even my videos, but any YouTuber videos or anything you see in the magazines, it's TV and stuff, it's not easy. They don't show you everything. Now, I'm going to try to be showing you guys more and show you like the struggles and stuff, but honestly, there's a lot of things that when we're not filming, there's things that everybody struggles with. Whether they want to admit it or not, that's on them, but ain't no cap, man. It's not easy, because if it was, everybody would be doing it, right? Always just remember, if you're going to start modifying cars and it's actually something you're passionate about, take your time. These are my recommendations. Take your time. Don't go into crazy debt to where you're stressing yourself out. Enjoy it, but always remember, it's going to be hard work. Meet people, ask for help if you need help, and most importantly, just have fun with it. It's fun. It's just car stuff. This is a want. This isn't a need, There's more to life than just cars. But it sure is fun getting there a lot faster wherever you want to go. All right. So on that note, see you guys this Saturday. If you're going and you're in California, hit up Bakersfield at Famoso Drag Strip. Get your tickets on the float, because at the gate, the prices do go up. But I'll be there. Be sure to check this car out under the Spoon Sports tent and see all the Spoon stuff in person. And see the car in person and check it out. And, if you guys see it, tag me in the pictures you guys take. But honestly, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys for your support. It feels good seeing the huge support that I get, especially with this 11 gen. So I'm really trying, guys. I'm not trying to go full send on it. I want you guys to enjoy it. But let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. If enough of you convince me, I might just be down to throw the L15 drag motor in here, but let's just keep it chill for a little bit. So thanks for watching. Remember, life's so sick. Live it.